Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create this model with the help of this 2D drawing in Creo Parametric. We will also do the drafting for this model at the end of the video. So let us see how to create it. So go to the new, select here part, uncheck this use default template, give the file name. Suppose I will give 0001, say solid year check and say OK. Now here it will ask you to select the units, so I will select the MMS part solid because the dimensions are given in mm. So say OK. Now here you can see a workbench for part modeling. So let us start the modeling. So first of all we'll create this profile. Okay, see here 100, this dimension is 54. So create it on the top plane, go for sketch, top plane, sketch, sketch view. Okay, draw the two circles like this. First one, second one. I will just hide the plane over here. Okay. Again draw one circle like this. Okay. Now here the dimensions are given to be 100, 54. So double click on it, change it to 100. And this one is 54. And this dimension is 130. Right. So it is as per these dimensions 130. Okay. Now we'll draw one line like this. Like this. Okay. Now we'll just trim the unwanted part like this. Okay. Draw here circle of diameter 40. Select center rectangle from here. Draw a rectangle like this. Here this dimension is given 15 and okay, this dimension total is 60, and just delete the unwanted part. Like this, say OK. So I will check this dimension. So that is 16, that is OK. And this is 40. Okay. So here you can see this is 60, this is 15 and this 40 dimension. Now simply say OK. Now from here filter I will select the sketch region and go with the extrude. Select this portion, you will see here extrude icon, click on it and extrude it up to 65 and this 25. So I'll put here 65. That's fine. Okay, select this portion, extrude it up to 25. That's fine. Okay, now we'll go for the round over here. So select this portion and 5 mm is the round as per drawing, and also right click on this sketch and hide it. Go for the chamfer as well. In chamfer we will select 45 into D, give the dimension to be 2 into 45 degree chamfer. Select this edge and say OK. That's fine. I will just show the plane over here, so you can show the plane from here, plane display. Then I will go on sketching on this plane, sketch and sketch view. I will select the references, close. I will just draw one center rectangle like this. Here this dimension is given to be 20 and this dimension is 40 as per drawing. Say OK. extrude. I need of both side extrude, so say select here symmetric. Just drag this and select here remove material because I want to remove the material. Say OK and simply control save this. Say OK. That's fine now. Okay, here you can see this is 40, this 10 which we have cut over here. Okay, that's look fine now. Now our model is completed over here, so simply Ctrl D. This is for default orientation. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll create some axis over here. So go for axis display, select here axis. I want here axis. Select this inside face, this face, so that axis will be created. Now here we will create section also. So go to the view manager. Any view manager will go for section, new, planar. So we'll create here planar section, say A section. So you can see as per drawing we need to create this section A, which is a planar section. So this plane is nothing but the front plane. So we'll select this plane, that is your front plane, say OK. So here in this way section A is created. Now simply right click on this section and make it deactivate. So control save. Now we will make a use of this axis and section in drawing. So let us go for the drawing, file, new, check this drawing. Now here select use drawing model file name. So here drawing will be created with this model file name. I will just uncheck this use default template, say OK. Now here I will go with empty with format, browse, I will go with C frame, open, say OK. Now here you will see that the drawing workbench will appear over here. Here you can see a sheet with a format. Now here we'll call the drawing views. So for that go to the general view, no combined state, OK. Now simply click here. Now we want here front view. So simply double click on it, front view. Go for the view display. So here in view display select no hidden, default, apply, OK. Now here I will need the projection view also. So for creating the top view for this front view, we'll click on this projection view and simply click over here. So here you can see the top view like this. So simply double click on it, view display, go for no hidden, apply, OK. But here you can see that our top view is not as per the drawing. So I will simply go for the projection view again, select this view and go upward. Double click on it, view display, no hidden, apply, OK. So in this view you can see this view is as per our drawing. So simply I will delete this view and simply I will just select this view, uncheck this lock view movement, just move it down like this. Okay, I will just uncheck here all the plane and axis display. Now I will just fit this drawing into this sheet. So I will go to scale and just increase the scale over here to 0.9. Okay, let's look okay now. Okay, so I will call here the isometric view. So go to general view, no combined state, okay. Simply click over here, go for the isometric view, okay, apply, okay. So here you can see isometric view will appear. I will just double click on it. I will change the scale for this. So I will make it to be 0.6, apply, okay. That's look fine now. Simply delete this scale, select this and delete one option. Okay. So here we have put all the views as per the drawing, that is front view, top view and isometric view. So we'll go for this section view, creating this section view. So for creating the section view, we'll double click on this, go to the section, go to the 2D cross section, go to here plus icon and select the section that we have created during part modeling. So a section we have created, so just go here and select the arrow display. So as per drawing, arrow display will be in top view, so select the top view for the arrow display, apply, OK. So here you can see that the sections are created in the front view. So I can simply double click on this section line, so I can change the spacing between this section line. So here you can see spacing option. So in spacing I can make it half, I can make it double, or I can give value as well. So simply I will make it half. Okay, I can make it half, so it looks better now, and simply say done. Okay, select this view, just I will move like this downward, I will move it downward. Like this. Okay, that's okay now. Now here we'll go with the axis display for these views. So for displaying the axis, we'll simply go to annotate, select this view, go for the show model annotation. Yes, go for the axis display. So here you can select the axis display. Okay, apply, cancel. Here you can see axis is created, but here you can't see this axis is created. Okay, control save this. Okay, select again, go for the show model annotation, no axis display. Apply, cancel. Here you can see the axis is created like this. Okay, I can increase the axis like this, but this axis is not created, so we'll go back to model, our model. Simply show the axis one over here. So here you can see this axis is not created. We'll go to axis again, select this outside face. Here you can see axis created. Okay, control save this. We'll go back to again drafting. Now again we'll select this view, show model annotation, datum. Here you can check the axis. Again apply, cancel. I can just adjust this axis as per wish. Select this view again, show model annotation, go to datum, select axis, apply. Here you can see axis is created. Okay, so I can just increase this. Now here we'll create the dimensions now. So here we can create the dimensions automatic or manually. So we'll first see how to create automatic. Simply show, go to model annotation, select the view. Okay, so I will select this front section view and go here, this dimension display. Now here you can see all the dimensions are displaying automatically. So those dimensions which we needed as per drawing, we'll select those dimensions. So we needed this one, 100, 54, 40, 130, 40, this radius 5, 45 into 2. We needed this also. Okay, simply say apply, cancel. So here you can see those dimensions which are necessary. We selected those dimensions and we created it automatically. So this is called the automatic dimensioning. Okay, Now we'll check, we'll move this here as per drawing. We'll just drag this to the here. So you can adjust as per drawing. You can see 25 here, then 65, 54. Here this is 54. Simply move it upward side. Drag like this. 54. Now 100 dimensions we want in this view. So for that, what we'll do, we'll select this 100 dimension. Here you can see move to view and move to this view. Similarly, we need this 40 dimension, move to view in this view. Okay, so it will appear in this view and I can adjust it. Okay, again 130 view, just move to view this one. So here you can see it will appear in this view. Okay, I can adjust like this. Okay, I'll just delete this section AA. Okay, here radius 5. Here in drawing you can see 2 into 45 degree. So if you want to change the reference, you can change the reference also. Select this and here you can see the edit attachment icon. So I will just click on this. So here you can see the reference for this dimension I have changed. Okay, I will just adjust like this. Okay, so this 40 I need in downward view. Select this 40 icon, move to view. Okay, like this. Now select this view, show model annotations. Okay, so those dimensions which are necessary, select those dimensions. I need 15. Okay, that's fine. Apply, close here. So here 15 is created. So here you can see some dimensions are not created, so we can give those dimensions manually. So let us see how to give this 60 and this 150 radius dimension. So here you will go to the dimensions, select this arc here and simply middle mouse button click. So here you can see radius 50 is given to this arc. Again select this dimension. I need this 60, so simply select this edge, control press button and select this edge and 60 here. Click the middle mouse button. Similarly you can select this dimension, select this edge with the control button and middle mouse button. Click over here. Okay. So as per drawing, you can see we have given all the required dimensions, right? So this dimension is remaining, that is 10, which we can give manually as well. So I will move this outside. Select the dimension, select this edge and middle mouse button. Okay, so in this way 10 mm dimension is given. So here you can see all the dimensions are created in middle of the dimension line. But here in drawing you can see all the dimensions are created above the dimension line. So how to change that? So simply from here select the filter to be dimension, so that we can, if we select all this view, simply the dimensions are selected. Now here we will go to the display and in text orientation we will say parallel to and above leader. Okay, simply you can see here the dimensions are placed above the dimension line, right, like this. So this is all about the drafting. Hope you like this video. Okay, so before that we can also give note over here. Okay, so simply select the note and simply place over here, and here suppose I want height to be 1 mm, so give front view. Okay, I will select this again and I will just decrease the height to be 0.75. Let's look okay now. Okay, similarly you can give the note here, top view, select the height as per your wish. Suppose I select 0.6 mm height and set top view. Okay, this is all about. Here you can create a note as well. Select a note. Here you can write all dimensions are in mm. All dimensions are in mm. Okay, so this is all about the basic of drafting. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.